Citric acid anhydrous is a highly versatile organic acid widely recognized for its purity, effectiveness, and broad range of applications across numerous industries. Naturally found in citrus fruits but commercially produced for large-scale use, this white crystalline powder is valued for its excellent acidifying, chelating, buffering, and preservative properties. As the anhydrous form of citric acid, it contains no water molecules, making it particularly suitable for moisture-sensitive formulations and processes. In the food and beverage industry, citric acid anhydrous is one of the most commonly used additives, serving as a flavor enhancer, acidity regulator, preservative, and antioxidant. It helps provide the refreshing tartness found in soft drinks, juices, candies, jams, confectionery products, and processed foods while also extending shelf life and maintaining product stability. In pharmaceutical manufacturing, it is used in effervescent tablets, syrups, powders, and various formulations where precise pH control and product stability are essential. The cosmetics and personal care industry utilizes citric acid anhydrous in skincare products, shampoos, conditioners, and cleansing formulations to adjust pH levels and improve product performance. Beyond consumer products, it is widely employed in industrial cleaning solutions, detergents, water treatment systems, and metal cleaning applications due to its ability to bind minerals and remove scale deposits effectively. Its biodegradable nature and environmentally friendly profile have further increased its popularity as industries seek sustainable alternatives to harsher chemicals. Easy to handle, highly soluble, and exceptionally versatile, citric acid anhydrous continues to play a vital role in modern manufacturing, helping improve product quality, stability, safety, and performance across food, pharmaceutical, cosmetic, and industrial sectors worldwide.